Fritz, thanks for sitting down with me today at the Bayer Seed Growth Center in Munheim, Germany. Thanks for your time today.
Welcome. It's a pleasure.
Fritz, can you tell us a little bit, does each Bayer Seed Growth Center have its own specific focus by crop?
Yes and no. I mean, here in the headquarters, we're working with all broad acre crops, so different cereal types, rice, corn, oilseed rape, canola, sunflower, soybean, etc. While the other seed growth centers in different regions in the world, in Latin America, etc., Asia, have already a bit more focus on their respective crops in their market.
Is there any other determining factors that come into play when we think about what the focus is for a specific seed growth center?
I mean, it's mainly based on the market development and the importance of the respective markets.
What is it about the seed growth centers here within Bayer that make it unique?
Basically, it's an integrated part of our seed growth strategy. Our philosophy is to offer to our clients not just the product, but a complete package product, be it machinery, the coatings, film coatings, and the services.
What impact does that closed loop? We eliminate the slurry packages. There's a lot of things that get eliminated with it. Who is this targeted to? Who's going to benefit the most from this type of a system?
Any person or any company who is performing a seed treatment. And basically the part of the position is the recipe development, which is done by us and installed into the machinery.
Fritz, thanks for sitting down with me today. I appreciate your time.
Yes, welcome. It was a pleasure.
Martin, thanks for sitting down with me today. I've had a chance to tour your facility here in Munheim, and as I understand it, the Bayer Seed Growth Initiative is founded on 4 pillars: products, coatings, equipment, and services. Does this sound right to you? And what else needs to be added to that description?
It's really those 4 areas of competences, the base for our overall offering. What has to be added to products, coatings, equipment, and services is actually bringing those 4 things together. I mean, and that's what you see in our logo, that we're not having, and we're not talking about pillars, we're talking about these areas of competence that form these overall experience and competence that we bring together.
Why is it so important for the company to bring it all together under one program like Seed Growth?
I think when we looked at our offer, what we can actually bring to our customers, and looking at these different areas that I just described, we recognized that we needed to form as well one name for it that expressed more than treating seed.
So as we continue to add innovation to the global seed industry, what can the seed industry do to keep stakeholders focused on the idea of added value instead of increased cost? Is this an important distinction?
One reason to change our offer to the industry, to the growers with seed growth, is part of saying we're not just talking about protecting, it's actually in enhancing, it's in fostering growth. So it's not just about protecting or solving a small product on the seed, it's really looking at the final result. So that's why we're looking as well from the value that we offer, we look at this final result. So for that, it's not adding just a small component, but adding something to the full value creation at the end on the farm.
Martin, thanks very much for your time today.
You're welcome, thank you.